Hello, my name is Olivier Notz and I'm responsible for the Interap Academy. On this how-to video, we will explain how to mount an aluminium hand lever on our butterfly valves. For this, you need the hand lever, including the mounting parts, so screws, washers, nuts, and on the other side, you need two different Allen screws and a key. As first step, we need to mount the notch plate. Please notice that on the notch plate we have two letters, one O and one other called C. O should look in flow direction for open, and C should look towards the closing direction of the valve, means in line with the valve body. Now we need to fixate the notch plate on the valve neck. For that we have two screws and two nuts. Now we mount the hand lever. Important to notice the marking on the shaft end. This marking must correspond with the hand lever direction. That corresponds to the disc. We disengage the trigger to make sure the hand lever goes well down, and then we let it go. As next step, we take the washer and this screw and we fixate the hand lever from the top. This is just an additional security to avoid the hand lever to fall down. Turning the screw until you touch the washer. Once you are in contact with the washer on the bottom, turn the screw just by 90 degrees to avoid overstressing the shaft. Special case for the Desponia Plus, as we show in the installation manual, instead of using the washer, we use a small shaft extension. This must be used instead of the washer. Now we clamp the hand lever on the valve shaft. This is done, and as last step, we close the cap to protect the shaft end. Thank you for watching this Interap Academy video. I hope it was helpful.